Hi folks, so in this video I will talk about Pitoco again, and this will be like a sequel for last time. I will be using the CLJ project to show a new feature. If you remember correct, the last time we instrument of ours, then we run the tests and we did it collected some input and output from the vase, and with it we could infer all schemes, right? Here we already did that, we're done that. So we have the vars and we have the schemas associated with it, and a new thing, a new function that I added to Pitoco instrument is that it can help you to organize this data, and will help you to consume later using a VSCode extension. I will show later. But let's collect this data from the inferred schemas. Then it creates some EDN file with all the associated data, with the vars, with the schemas, some examples. That's it. It's boring. So let's go to the fun part. I also created a VS Code extension, which called the Pitoco extension. Let me show you here. Yeah. And the idea here is that this is the consumer of Pitoco EDN or Pitoco schema EDN file, right? So with it we can leverage this file and use it to show by, let's say you are reviewing a PR or you are seeing a project which has the file, and you can check the data that you collect in runtime, right? So you can see, I don't know, the inferred mal schema, when it was generated, the input and output per arity for a function, and one example. So yeah, this is it. It's a very simple feature, but I guess maybe it help you to augment your review, right? To help you on your review. And that's it. Very simple. Thank you. See you next time.